Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Dr. Maliha and I started using this hair oil called Love Nature. It's a wheat and coconut oil by Oriflame. I got this from Kiran Afshin and it's meant for dry hair, and she told me exactly how to use it by putting a hot towel on my hair, leaving it on for like 15-20 minutes, and I've used it thrice almost and my hair has become a lot smoother. It's become absolutely frizz free because मैं बहुत straighten करती हूँ अपने बाल और बिल्कुल ends damage हो जाते हैं, but because of